Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make curvy wall and with variation. Okay, first of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. Click from here until with any position or any direction over there. Okay, so we can get the result, and then we can push it up with any thickness. Then we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, so we can use the 2-point arc. We can use the 2-point arc here. Okay, click, and then we can click here, and then we can choose for any position or any direction. Then we can click again, start from here to the any position and click, and then we can click again, start here and with this position. Okay, we can get the curvy outline. We can get the curvy path of the uh, wall in SketchUp. So we can triple click this one, and then we can offset it inside around the wall thickness as we want. Okay, we can type 150 millimeter. Okay, and then we can click the another connection right there. Then we can click here. We can click here. Okay, this one. So we can get the plane. Now we can get the plane as you can see on your screen. As you can see. Okay, so we can get the plane. We can triple click this plane and we can push it up around 4 meter and then press enter. Okay, and then we can triple click, right click, and make group. And then we can also make a variation. We can also make a variation of this curvy wall with the another object. So I will give you an example for making it, but I will make the another material for the base plane for highlight this object. Okay, we can make the another variation. We can make the rectangle start from here, then we can push it up. Okay, right there. Then we can make it larger or make it higher. Then we can use the 2-point arc, click, and then we can start from here until this position, and then we can click this one, and also we can make it smoother than this condition by select the entity info, and then we can type a segment with the 64 and enter. I mean the 64 value on the entity info of the arc is enough, smooth enough than the default. Okay, so you can get the two surface of it, and then you can click this bottom surface, and then you can using the push click, then you can click this surface and push until the limit, and then click. Okay, and then you can get this one. You can triple click, right click, and make group, and you can move on and duplicate. You can move and duplicate, move and press Control to duplicate. And then we can click the another direction. Start from here. Okay, you can click this one and until this position. You can push it up. Okay, okay. You can scale. You can scale with any size you want. Anyway, you can scale with any size you want, and then you can move it until your desired position, and you can also duplicate this one. You can move and control to duplicate it until maybe for this position you can move it a little bit outside from the work area for the temporary. Okay, you can move this one until this position, and then you can right click and I'm sorry, you can move, you can mirror based on the blue axis, click, and okay, so you can move until the ground over there, and then you can also move again from this object to the another wall position, this position for example. Okay, so you can get the three intersection. You can get the three intersection between the curve wall and the object. Okay, so you can click this object, and then you can appear the solid tools. If you have no solid tools on the top toolbar, you can activate by click the view toolbar, and you can select the solid tool. Okay, you can select this solid tool and press close, and it will be appear like this. Okay, so you can click this object and you can click the subtract. Sorry, you can click subtract, and then you can click this target, so you can get the result. And again, you can click this object, you can click the subtract, okay, and then you can click the target. And also you can click this object, click the subtract, okay, and then click the target. Okay, so you can get this result of the curvy wall, and you can get the subtraction curvy wall. Okay, okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And we can also assign with another materials like brick material maybe, or brick material just like this, or another element. Okay, but I like this. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and you can make the exercise by yourself. And thanks for watching, and have a good day.